Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, it's Don Juan. We're back with another review, back in the stockroom. So today, as you've seen the thumbnail, title to the video, we're going to be reviewing the City of Style Nike Dunk Low SB. So for this shoe, you know, this is a pretty unique shoe. And before I jump into the review and things of that sort, I just want to first of all say, you know, Sunday is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. You know, shout out to y'all. You know, if it wasn't for y'all, you know, it wouldn't be life on this earth. So, you know, thank you to all the mothers out there. Keep doing what you're doing. And this is a unique shoe, and I'll explain in a minute because it's like a two-part to it. But they're calling it the nickname for is the City of Style. But let me read to you what the description Nike have and the inspiration behind the shoe. You know, Nike SB's always got some type of inspiration behind their shoes. Invoking the pastoral French streets and Rocco aesthetics, the canvas upper reveals hidden dragon suede underneath the more you skate in them. So the upper is, you can customize it, you can peel it off, or you can just rock it casually or skate in it, and the upper of the shoe will come off gradually, and then it reveals that red suede. The vibrant print and decorative gold accent showcase the dynamic relationship and contrasting stitching, custom gold insole, and vintage inspired sail outsole, invoking pairs, unique relationship with the fashion design and artistry. This dunk represents 17th and 18th century aesthetics through the modern lens, with skateboarding as a physical conduit for self-expression. So that's the theme behind the shoe. So without further ado, let's take an up close and personal look and get into the review. All right, so here we have the box. You got your Nike standard SB purple box. Got some Nike SB brand in here. Outside, you've seen this box before. Sizing tag right here. Wear a size 10 in my Nike SB lows. And the colorway says football gray, coconut milk. So kind of interesting color. Flip the lid. You do get your Nike SB sticker. Standard. Take the shoes out. See here. And you have the Nike SB paper. You got green and white classic paper that you get standard inside of the box. You do have a green and white sticker here. You got your box dimensions there. And I don't see anything else inside the box. Oh, actually, yeah, you do got a lot number right there inside the box lid. Cool. Enough of the box. Let's go ahead and get into the kicks. Cool, let's start with the left shoe. All right, here we go, Nike SB Dunk Low City of Style. So let's start with the outsole. Outsole, you got that sail outsole with that, I don't know, that's not the football gray, but maybe that's not the coconut milk. I mean, this could be the coconut milk colorway on the outsole, but this looks like a brown Nike SB in the middle, or gold, could be gold, but it looks more brown than gold. All right, so we move to the upper of the shoe. You got the midsole in that coconut milk. Upper, again, it's a canvas upper. So this is that football gray I believe they were talking about. The whole upper is that football gray with that hits of, you know, gold in between. And you know, the back of the shoe, the back of the heel, you got your Nike in that gold. Let's see here. Front of the shoe, front of the tongue, got that gold going around the top of the tongue with that Nike SB in outlining gold with that, looks brown to me. Gold fat laces. And then around the sock liner, you got that, it's some type of blue. Very different blue. I've never seen this. I don't know if I've seen this. I'm pretty sure I've seen this blue before, but it does look a bit different. It does actually highlight the shoe a bit as well. I like that they put that touch on there. Inside of the tongue, you got your Nike SB branding, nothing on the bottom of the small tag. You got made in Vietnam. You do have those blue hits on the eyelets of the shoe. And let's see here. You got shoe paper, no shoe trees. Inside of the shoe, got your Nike SB brand in there. Let me see if you can get that, yeah. At the back, and then you got your Zoom as well, with an all gold insole. So yeah, that's pretty much the shoe, man. This is a quick review because the upper, only thing that I would say about the upper is that you do get all these design. Again, it's designed from the, streets of Paris and their artistry, things of that nature. So you do have different things on the shoe. Let me see if I can get a close up of all the different designs and prints they have on the shoe. It's like birds there, trees, some type of globe, all throughout the shoe. And on the lateral side as well. Yeah. So, like I said, man, this is a pretty dope shoe. Pretty dope shoe. It is an everyday wearable shoe. I'm not sure. If you're skateboarding, that's a different story, but just to wear casually, I'm not sure. All right, cool. Let's get back in front of the camera and review off. So that was the review of the Nike Dunk Low City of Style. And, tell me what you think about this shoe. Did you guys go after this shoe? They're not doing too bad on the aftermarket right now. You can get them for retail or just above retail. In some cases, maybe in some sizes less than retail. So nice shoe. Let me give you my honest thoughts on the shoe. I think it's a dope shoe. I think it's very versatile. You can do a lot of things with it. Now, as far as customizing it, I was thinking about customizing the shoe for the video. I was thinking about, because I watched a couple videos where they took an X-Acto knife and they kind of, they customized this very neatly. It was well done. And I like how they made the red pop on the toe cap and the sides. And, I'll make sure I put a picture up to show you guys what I'm talking about. But they actually designed it very well when they sliced off the upper canvas part of the shoe. So, yeah, I think this is a dope shoe, man. Now, is it for me? Is it a wearable shoe, everyday wearable shoe? I'm not sure. I know Nike SB Dunk Lows are very comfortable, but can you style it with a lot of things? What can you really, get away with when styling this shoe? And I don't know if it's a wearable shoe every day. So what I will do though, I'm not sure if I'm going to customize it with the X-Acto knife. I mean, listen, if you guys want me to do that, I don't know, man. Maybe comment down below to see what that looks like, or if I, after the on foot, if I decide it's not a shoe for me and I don't want to keep the shoe, maybe I'll just let it go on my eBay. I'm not sure, but I will do it on foot for you to show you how it looks with some jeans on. And, we'll go from there as far as customizing it with the red popping through. I bet it'd be dope, but I don't know if you guys ever seen Superbad, but. Oh, really? You don't have the technology or the steady hands to pull off a procedure like that. So, So, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'll be doing that. I don't know if I have the steady enough hands to make sure I pull that off correctly and it doesn't look sloppy. So if not, maybe I take it to someone that I trust that'll do it well. But for the time being, we're just gonna do the on foot just like this. So, with that being said, let's hop on to the on foot. For all my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you, all my OGs and people that's been watching the videos and been subscribed. I appreciate you, and, for the continued support. So, again, like, comment, subscribe. And until the next cop, we out.
Dying one.
Rock. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Gone one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, 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 done. I'm done one, done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone, gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done, 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 done.